Alright, if you've never put African spices on chicken before, I need you to pay attention right now, because I'm about to ruin every other chicken recipe you've ever made. What we're cooking today is African spiced chicken, Texas style. And on the side, we've got Nigerian Jollof Rice. This is where the flavor lives. 2 tablespoons Suya spice blend. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. Rack in the middle for 30 to 35 minutes uncovered. Same logic applies. 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. 2 tablespoons neutral oil. This is where the flavor lives. Mix all of that together in a bowl. Get half lemon and orange. Juice of half a lemon and orange. Mix all of that together in a bowl. Now here's what makes this different from regular grilled chicken. The spice blend we're using is West African. We're talking Suya powder, ginger, garlic, cayenne, paprika, salt layered on top of each other in a way that builds heat slowly. It doesn't hit you up front, it creeps up on you. And by the time it does, you're already halfway through the plate. Let's start with the marinade. You're looking for a thick paste, not a liquid. That paste needs to coat every single piece of chicken. Get underneath the skin if you can. That's where the real flavor happens. See how that color changes immediately? That red orange from the paprika and Suya powder, that right there is telling you it's working. Cover this up and let it rest. Now while that chicken is marinating, let's talk about the cook. Because this is where Texas comes in. A lot of people just throw African spiced chicken straight onto a flat pan and call it a day. We're not doing that. We're going in direct heat first, low and slow. Then we're finishing it with a high heat sear to lock that crust in. This is how you get that texture on the outside. If you're cooking indoors oven at 410 degrees, what you're looking for at this stage is internal temperature of around 155. While keeping the meat juicy all the way through. While that chicken is resting, and it needs to rest. 5 minutes minimum. Let's get into the jollof rice, because jollof rice is not a side dish. Jollof rice is the event. The chicken is what you bring to it. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.